Now time to look at the ingredients. You're going to need some whole wheat spaghetti, which is what I use, 1 pound of ground turkey. You're going to need some kind of Italian pasta or whatever pasta you choose to use, seasoning salt, some onion, powdered onion, and powdered garlic, and of course your pressure cooker. In this case, I'm using the Melty Pot.
So as we say, we got all our ingredients, we're all ready to start. So the first thing we want to do is get your pressure cooker up and going. You want to hit saute right here. And then you want to add your ingredients, your olive oil, we're going to put that in there next. And then obviously we're going to do the ground turkey. We're going to do ground turkey here. All right, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Get that nice and going. I put a little bit more in there, but get that going in there. You can use any kind of meat you want to use. You can even use the good old Impossible burgers or Impossible meat that everyone is starting to kind of go to. But I'm still a traditionalist. I do try the Impossible products, but right now I'm going with turkey. That's my personal favorite. So get the turkey meat. We're going to dump it all in here. This is just 1 pound turkey. Get it all in there. Okay. Just gonna throw them on here. They want a little bit of some salt there. We're gonna throw our onion powder. Spread that all in there. Nice. And some garlic powder, which we got right here. And they're saying 1 teaspoon, but I kind of just like to let it go in there and do its work here. And then we mix this all up. Saute it, make sure it's nice and brown. And brown it up. And turkey, cooks pretty quick. They're saying, cooks about 3 to 5 minutes, but I like to make sure it's nice and brown here. Okay, well, as with every pressure cooker, you have to make sure you have water. So we're gonna throw 1 cup of water, and we're gonna throw our pasta sauce or whatever, tomato sauce, whatever you want. And it's the whole jar, 1 24-ounce jar of your choice of pasta sauce. Put that all in there. And you stir it up a little bit. And you want to keep scraping the bottom so you don't have anything sticking. All right, got the half spaghetti, and you want to just break that in half, like that. Kind of just lay it down. Okay, I'm gonna just lay it down like that. Like so. Like that, like so. And again, it's about 8 ounces, but you could always add as much noodles as you want. Noodles as you want, spaghetti as you want. So break it there and break it there. And you want to layer them down layer it on top of each other. Kind of what I'm doing here. Into 2 layers. So we're at our 2 layers. And now at this point, you don't want to mix, okay? And we do not stir at this point. See here, and then we just pour the water, another 1.5 cup of water right on the top, but you do not mix. No more stirring. You just add that in there like so. All right, now it's time to set the pressure cooker. So we got our lid. Make sure you stick it on venti. Make sure it's all the way up to vent, right, like so. Good there. Make sure you have that on vent, like so. Then we go to the pressure cook button here. You go pressure, and you're gonna do it on high, if you got it there. Pressure cook to high, and we're gonna set this for 8 minutes. We're gonna set it for high, and then when we're done, we're gonna do a quick release. So we'll be back. You finish pressure cooking, you want to do a quick release. You don't wait for it to release yourself. You do it. That is big. So just finished. So now what you want to do is do a quick release, which is what we're going to do. As you can see, there's the little knob. You just had quick release that. All right, so the pressure's down. Open it up. And wow, there you go. Nice and good there. Then we want to take our fork, our spoon, and stir in the mix, stir in the noodles into the mix there. So now we just want to stir it up. I like to put just a little bit of Parmesan on the top there, and then it'll be ready to serve more. Wow, very good. Turkey spaghetti in the pressure cooker. Good stuff. It's the Single Dad here. Till the next time, enjoy.